Hey YouTube, Kim Brzelik here. Just performed my first boring operation. Obviously I haven't cleaned that hole up all the way around yet, but I am using a tool that I have yet to use. Here are the chips. I guess just little curlicues. I'm not sure what this material is. Some kind of PVC maybe. I had no idea. This is what it produced. So, just a real quick one. First boring operations, not in steel or aluminum, but I did do it. And there's the newest project. Loving this. Brings a lot of flexibility. Thank you so much.